Let's talk about bonds. I think you guys know I am savvy when it comes to bonds, whether it's financial bonds with a decent yield or a Birkin 35 with gold hardware, because let's be honest, they both have an amazing return. I also take my hair bonds extremely seriously. Your hair has millions of bonds that keep it strong and intact, but they can get weak and brittle. And let me tell you, the L'Oreal Elvive bond repair range is a really good investment. One thing about me, I like to see results, and if I don't see it, I don't continue. And I must say, this shine is absolutely incredible. You saw how dull my hair was before. I'm willing to bet my reputation this will change your hair game.